Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have heterocyclic system with ester and amide in the architecture. You have N-alkyl system with ketone and you have one more isopropyl above the plane. You are using the reagents LDA 1 equivalent, benzyl bromide 1 equivalent and lithium aluminum hydride 3 equivalent. You should find what will be the final product. Here you are using the LDA. LDA is the base, it abstracts the proton. You have the nucleophile, then the nucleophile attack the benzyl bromide. You have bromine elimination, final CC bond. Here benzyl attack from below to avoid the steric effect and you have opposite interaction. Next step you are using lithium aluminum hydride. It can attack either carbonyl, but if you look at the insert, A is very reactive when compared to B. Why? Because B attached with 2 atoms which has lone pair weaken the strength. So hydride attacks the A carbonyl. You have the final product as alcohol because repeated attacks lead to the aldehyde, then alcohol. The concept you have to learn here is regioselectivity. Whenever you have two same functional group, look for the charge strength and decide the final product. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.